Hi viewers, how are you all of you? I hope you are all fine. Okay, see here, next continuation, chapter 4, exercise 7. Okay, third question. Third question is given that L is parallel to BC. Line L is parallel to BC. Okay, these two are parallel lines. Okay, now we should find out x value. We should find out the x value. After that, here it is given y, z. Okay, y, z. This also we need to find out. First, let us see how to find the x value. Okay, how to find the x value. See here, sum of angles at the point. Sum of angles at the one point is called 150. Yes, we should take as 150. Sum of angles at the point. Okay, so we should take sum of angles 75 x 45, 75 plus x plus 45 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, now 75 plus 45 you should add. How much you will get? 75, here it is 45, 10, 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, 120 is equals to 180. Now x, transpose of minus 120. See, transpose of plus 120 minus 120. Now x value how much you will get? Here it is 60. 180 minus 120, 60. Now after getting x value, now you can find y and z. Once while finding y, once see, we can extend this BC line like this. We can extend BC line. Okay, if you extend, see once here these two are parallel lines and once observe with this line, if you extend, this is a transversal. Okay, these two are parallel lines. For this is a transversal line. Now see these two angles, alternating interior angles are equal. Okay, so whatever value is there, so same value we can take y. Okay, alternating interior angles are equal. So from that reason we can take y degrees 75 degrees or alternating interior angles are equal. So we can take y is equals to 75. In similarly we can take z also. See, these two are parallel lines. This is a transversal line for these two lines. This is a transversal. See, these two are alternating interior angles. Okay, therefore based on that reason, z is equals to 45 we can take. Okay, now here z 45, y is 75, x is 60. All three values we got. Okay, this is the solution for third question. Okay, next, see here fourth question is given that AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Okay, now we should find the angle BCD. These values we need to find out. Okay, for that how we can do? See here, if you extend these lines, okay, these are two parallel lines and these two also parallel lines further. Okay, now once observe it here, this is a line, straight line. Okay, sum of angles on a straight line we can take 180 degrees. Okay, now 50 degrees plus b degrees is equals to 180. Okay, now b is equals to 180 transpose of plus 50 minus 50. Okay, if you subtract 50 from 180, how much you will get? 130 you will get. Okay, see b value is 130. In similar way, see here also b plus c. Already we know b value. B plus c also 180 degrees. B plus c is equals to 180. Now b value is 130. You can substitute here. Now C is equals to 180 minus 130. Transpose of plus 130 minus 130. C is equals to 180 minus 130, 50 degrees. Okay. C, angle C 50 degrees. Now similar way here also C plus D. C plus D also 180. Okay. C value how much? 50. 50 plus D is equals to 180. Now D is equals to 180 minus 50. Transpose of plus 50 minus 50. How much you will get? 130 you will get. So these are the angles. Angle B 130, angle C 50, angle D 130. Okay. Now like this we can find the remaining angles. Okay. Thank you.